how to build a website from scratch. This is like an amazing topic for me because I've been looking at websites for over 8 years now, and I think it's an amazing topic. I think the market and the globalization of everything has made the online presence so much important, and right now there's like so many augmented reality and 3D websites that are super cool and everything, but how do you actually build them? And I think there's a few things you can go in, do you have a big budget or not? Because maybe you want to hire a developer to code it, or maybe you want to hire a simpler developer that can simply go in to a no-code platform such as Wix or Squarespace, or even Wordflow, what's it called, Framer, Webflow, and web builders like that are no code. Or you might even want to do it yourself because you want to understand how it works, and you want to have that knowledge, right? And so I would say, first, why do you need a website? Is it because you want to share your business? Do you want to do like online marketing and share your business to the world? Or do you want to sell a product and you need like a website where you display the product and people can go in and have a cart and check out and pay you and stuff like that? Or do you need like an app that kind of manages subscriptions for specific news or specific ways to profit and stuff like that? So I think one of the biggest questions you need to answer first is why you need a website, right? Second of all, how much is your budget and how much is your time? Because sometimes we want to build a product, we want to ship, and we want to start a business, but we don't actually have the time, or we're not willing to spend the time in the business. And so these are good questions to actually know, like, is this good for me right now, or should I wait, or how should I focus on it? Do I want a minimum viable product, or do I want like full-fledged with feature authentication, notification, everything kind of website with e-commerce and a blog and everything? So do you have the time to maintain it? It's not only building it, but you need to like maintain the website. You need to add more content. You need to market your products. You need to have like an infrastructure. So if you have like a contact form, is somebody behind that contact form contacting your leads? And so that is like a full sales funnel or a full client service funnel. Like, you need to think about what features on your website and who's going to maintain that throughout the time, who's going to write content for your business or share, and who's going to make more images. Are you going to do it in platforms and apps like Canva, or are you going to hire somebody? And those are valid questions. But once you land on something specific, when you land on having a cool developer that codes out your whole online experience, website, e-commerce, blog, and everything, there's a 3-step I like to take. First is kind of the initial brief, where you set up all of these questions, right? This is the brand, this is my goal with the website. I want to have leads, I want to meet people, I want to share my product, I want to share my skills, I want to show the world what I've done. And so I think that is a great spot to say, hey, this is why I need the website, this is what I want to accomplish. And secondly, I would go and look at what you like, what the brand shows, and how you want to design the site. Is it going to be fun? Is it going to be more serious website? Is it going to have a 3D animation or not? What is the message behind it, right? After that, I would go into the design process, and I would create like a mood board, show different styles and different fonts and different colors, and see how everything contrasts, and what sections do I want. Do I want like a hero section that showcases how you work, how you do stuff, right? I would probably use designer software such as Figma, and I would start designing based on the mood board and based on the text and the info you want to put in there. I would start designing the homepage, and once I have a homepage with a responsive design as well, which is kind of a small screen, I would probably use that as a template for the other sites or the other pages inside of your site. And once you're happy with that, I would end the process with development. And that's where you pick a web builder platform, or you pick a developer to code your website out and start building it and give them the design. Or you use the design on the web builder and say, okay, here's the hero, here is the contact form, here is the message, here is the images of the gallery I want to show my work. And once that is done, a lot of web builders, they have hosting, so I would buy a domain, connect that to the web builder, and just deploy it. And then finally, this is not inside of the build a website from scratch 3 steps, but a lot of people build the website, but it's a ghost town. And it's because you need to start indexing your website on search engines so that people, like, they show up on results. You need to start marketing, make content on social media so that people know, oh, if I want to know about websites, well, I'll go to Maddie. So yeah, hope that will help you make a wonderful website, and hope all is good. I'll see you in the next one.